6 divided by 1 over 3 times 3. What is the answer? A, we have 54, B, 6, C, 1, D, 0. So which answer here is correct? So we have 6 divided by 1 over 3 times 3. So if you calculate 1 over 3 times 3, the 3 cancels, so we are left with 6 divided by 1, which is equals to 6. This is actually, if many of you calculated like this, it's actually wrong. It's not right because you did not follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS or PEDMAS. So we have 6 divided by 1 over 3 times 3. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents. Now M and D, which is multiplication and division, carry the same weight, meaning what that means is that whichever comes first is what you handle first. That is what it means. Multiplication and division are the same, or they carry the same weight, but whichever comes first is what you always have to work out first. That is from left to right. And in this case, division comes first. That is why we have to work out this first, because it has come first from the left-hand side. So we work out 6 divided by 1 over 3. So if we can change this sign and say 6 times, then the reciprocal of this, which is 3 over 1, then times 3. So now we can, since it's all multiplication, we can work out whichever. So 6 times 3 is 18 times 3. 18 times 3 is equals to 54. So our right answer is 54, which in this case it was A. So option A was the right one. You always have to follow the order of operations from left to right in that order. Now we have this one here. 2 plus 2 is equals to 8. 3 plus 3 is equals to 15. 4 plus 4 is equals to 24. What is 5 plus 5 equals to according to this pattern? So kindly first of all comment what you think the answer is in the comment section down below, so that we can know how many were able to get it right. So let's proceed. So here we have 2 plus 2. We know that 2 plus 2 is 4. So it's not equals to 8. But if we twist things around, let's say you multiply, you square this first value. When you square 2 times 2 is 4. Now, when you multiply this second one, when you double the second one, so let's see, when you have 2 squared plus 2 times 2, this will be equals to, so we have 2 squared plus 2 times 2. 2 squared is 4, plus 2 times 2 is 4. And that gives us what we were given, which is 8. Let's do the second one in the same way. So this will be 3 squared plus 3 double. 3 plus 3, which is 3 times 2, which is 3 squared is 9. Plus 3 times 2, or 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is equals to 15, which gives us what we were given. So that means this pattern is the right one that we follow. Now for this one, 4 squared plus 4 times 2 is equals to, so 4 times 4 is 16, plus 4 times 2 is 8, which is equals to, so 16 plus 8 is 24, which goes back to this. Therefore, this also follows the same pattern here. So it will be 5 squared plus 5 times 2, or 5 plus 5, which is equals to 5 squared is 25 plus 5 plus 5, or 5 times 2 is 10. This gives us 35, and therefore this is equals to 35. Now, if you look at this figure here, what do you think is the value of, what value do you think comes here? So, kindly comment what you think the answer is in the comment section down below. Let us know what you think the question mark is equals to, if you have this. Okay, let's continue. So, if you look keenly, you realize that if you get alternate values and add them for each row, when you add the alternate values, you'll get the same result. For example, 5, the alternate value is 9. So 5 plus 9, when you add it to 10 plus 4, you should be able to get the same value. So 5 plus 9 is 14. This is also 14. Now, if you add 7 plus 5, you should be able to get 4 plus 8. 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. Also, 3 plus 5 should be able to give you 2. This is 6. 2 plus 6. This is 8. Also, this is 8. Now, if you look at the column, if you look column-wise, also 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8, so they are equal. 10 plus 2 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12, so they are equal. The total alternate values are equal. Also, 9 plus 5 is 14. Also, 5 plus 9 is 14. That means if you add this plus this, should be equal to this plus this. Or this plus this should be equals to this plus this. So, implying 1 plus 9 should be equals to 8 plus the question mark. So, when you take the 8 this side, you shall have question mark. 1 plus 9, when this crosses, it becomes minus 8. So, 9 minus 8 is 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equals to the question mark, which is 2. So, this is 2. Even if we were to look column-wise, we would have said 4 plus 6 should be equals to 8 plus the question mark. So, 4 plus 6 is 10. Is equals to 8 plus the question mark. When you take it this side, it becomes 10 minus 8 is equals to this. So, becomes 10 minus 8 is 2. Therefore, 2 is the right answer. So here, this should be 2. What about if you have this? What do you think the value of that question mark is? Now, if you study this diagram clearly, you realize that here we have values. We have 3, 7, 9 on this left side, while on the right hand we have 16, 9, and 1 which we have to find. But now from this side we have a 3. How is 3 related to any of these? You realize that when you square 3, you get 9. That means this is attached to this. And also this 16, you'll see that it is related to 4. And what kind of relationship is we squared 4. Here we squared 3. That means we shall have to square 7 on this side. So this here will be 7 squared, which is equals to 49. So this is 49. So the left-hand side, the values on the left-hand side, you square them and then put it in the alternate or on the opposite segment. So the opposite of this is this one, where we have 9. For this one, it's this one. So for this one, it's this one. So it's 49. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It's completely free of charge. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's meet in the next video. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the questions.